If your 2000 Chevy Silverado won't crank or accessories are cutting out, your ignition switch might be failing. These switches are known to wear out over time, causing intermittent power loss to the ignition system. Before we start, safety is the absolute priority. Always disconnect your negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental shorts during the repair. You will need a basic set of hand tools, including a 7mm socket and a set of screwdrivers. Start by removing the tilt steering lever and unscrewing the plastic covers housing the ignition cylinder. Doing this yourself saves significant labor costs compared to a professional shop visit. Most beginners can complete this job in under 90 minutes if they take their time. Slide the new switch into position and verify it clicks before you reconnect the battery. If issues persist, check your fuses and inspect the wire harness for any signs of heat damage. Remember, a proper electrical connection is the secret to a long-term fix. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Silverado repair.